guy. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
What kind of nonsense is this? What are you trying to try?
I try to try in Tamanzi.
For how long have you been here doing this nonsense?
What is nonsense? I'm going to Tamanzi. What is nonsense? I'm going to Tamanzi.
My guy, you got a problem. I want to show you something. What is this?
The paper lamb.
Wait. I have to teach you something. See this particular paper. It can help create a very good situation for you now. How about try to try. Wait, come on. Listening is the key. Watch this one. It's not plastic here. If your brain is not working proper, this is what I see.
If brain not working properly, if brain govern.
Now pump this thing. Try to try.
But don't have nonsense.
My guy, you are foolish. Just admit it, you are foolish. Go and drink your water. Idiot. See, now we are taking time. Let's fast, I want to do my own thing. Make a small hole, dear.
My
guy, I wanted to teach you something. What if I'm not here, what are you gonna do? Foolish man. This data like that. Move here. I've got a better use for this particular pump.
Who are you foolish?
Nonsense, disappear. It's about to even be paying me. Give me something. What are you trying to try? Idiot.
Who are you foolish? Why are you foolish?
My guy, you're not going to. I'll scatter you now. Remove this here. Idiot. Move here. Foolish man. See now you are drinking. We are already sorted. You are talking nonsense. Foolish man. You are lucky you have found Jesus. You are very lucky man. Idiot.